Alright, today we're going to be mounting a tire using a Amazon manual tire machine. This tire is a 26 by 12 by 12 off of a Bobcat Zero Turn. That's the tire machine right there. And the three tools that are going to come with it are your tire tool here. Got this little guy here. And this one here. Now what you want to do is take your rim. You're going to slide this over top of here. And this little guy right here is going to go through one of those lug nut holes. So set your rim on there, and you can see we got that going through the hole there. Is this little guy. Just kind of drop it down in there. And you'll take this guy there. All the way down till you got it hand tight. You're going to need some type of dish soap. I have a little pump bottle here. And you're just going to want to put some pumps around the tire. Flip our tire around and do the same thing. Now you want to take your tire and with just a little bit of force, you're going to try to push this on the rim as much as you can. Tire bar, put it under the lip here. Don't try to do one big bite with it. Don't try to take the whole thing. Just come over here and do like maybe an inch at a time and just kind of work your way around the tire. Just like that. I think one more should pop it on. There we go. Alright. Now I found that using vice grips helps a little bit. So you want to clamp one here and take note the position of the vice grip. Okay, here's my top of the vice grip. I'm going to put it here over the rim. And you don't want to clamp down too heavy too hard to bend the metal. Just enough so that the vice grip ain't going to slide when you start turning this tire. So we're going to put one there. And we're going to kind of spin this tire a little bit to get it started there. And we're going to hold down with this hand and we're going to come over here about 8 inches. And we're going to put this other vice grip right here. Now, you can start moving the tire with your arm. Spinning it around. It's almost going on. Okay. We got majority of it there now. We're going to take our tire tool. And you want to take little tiny bites. Just an inch at a time. Don't try to do the whole tire. Just little tiny bites. Work it around. An inch at a time. And one more, I think should do it. And there it is. Proceed to fill it up with air. It's a pretty simple task. So please guys, hit subscribe below, give me a like. I'll see you next time.